Hello students, we are continuing chapter 1, The Summer of the Beautiful White Horse. This is video part 4. Till now we have read that Murad thinks of hiding the horse somewhere. Let us read further. He walked the horse quietly to the barn of a deserted vineyard which at one time had been the pride of a farmer named Fethwajian. There were some oats and dry alfalfa in the barn. We began walking home. Murad took the horse to a barn silently. Barn means a big farm building used for storage. This barn belonged to a farmer named Fethwajian. There were some oats and dry alfalfa. Alfalfa is a plant with clove-like leaves and blue flowers, which is generally grown as a food for cattle. चारे के फॉर्म में जिसको यूज़ किया जाता है कैटल के लिए, उस तरह का ये एक प्लांट होता है. They both started for their home. It wasn't easy, he said, to get the horse to behave so nicely. At first, it wanted to run wild, but as I have told you, I have a way with a horse. I can get it to want to do anything I want it to do. Horses understand me. Murad told Aram that it was not easy for him to tame a horse. At first, the horse misbehaved, but he told he had a way, a tuning with horses. So, Murad can make the horse do anything because horses understand him. How do you do it? I said. I have an understanding with a horse, he said. Yes, but what sort of an understanding? I said. A simple and honest one, he said. Well, I said, I wish I knew how to reach an understanding like that with a horse. Aram asked from Murad that how he made that kind of understanding with the horse. Murad answered that he had a bonding with horse. Aram asked, but what kind of understanding, what kind of bonding is it? Aram said, a simple and honest one. Aram told him that he also wished if he could know how to develop such an understanding with the horse. You are still a small boy, he said. When you get to be 13, you'll know how to do it. Murad told Aram that he is still a small boy. When he'll be 13 years old, he'll know how to develop that kind of understanding with a horse. I went home and ate hearty breakfast. That afternoon, my uncle Khusro came to our house for coffee and cigarettes. He sat in the parlor, sipping and smoking and remembering the old country. Then, another visitor arrived, a farmer named John Byro, an Assyrian who out of loneliness had learned to speak Armenian. My mother brought the lonely visitor coffee and tobacco, and he rolled a cigarette and sipped and smoked. And then at last, sighing sadly, he said, My white horse which was stolen last month is still gone. I cannot understand it. After that, Aram went home and had his breakfast. Uncle Khusro also visited their house that afternoon. He sat in the parlor and was smoking there. Then came another visitor named John Byro. He was a farmer. Aram's mother brought him coffee and cigarette too. He said in a sad tone, My white horse was stolen last month and it is still not found. It is so strange. My uncle Khusro became very irritated and shouted, It's no harm. What is the loss of a horse? Haven't we all lost the homeland? What is this crying over a horse? Listening to all this, Uncle Khusro was very angry and said, You are crying over a horse, and here we have even lost our motherland. That may be all right for you, a city dweller, to say, John Byro said, but what of my Surrey? What good is a Surrey without a horse? John Byro replied that it is easy for Uncle Khusro to say such things, but the surrey he had is of no use without the horse. Surrey is like a cart. So, if there is no horse, what is the use of a surrey? Pay no attention to it, my Uncle Khusro roared. I walked 10 miles to get here, John Byro said. You have legs, my Uncle Khusro shouted. Uncle Khusro, still angry, shouted, Pay no attention to it. John said, I have walked 10 miles to come here. Uncle said, Yes, you have legs to walk. Then why you are worrying? Why you are upset? My left leg pains me, the farmer said. Pay no attention to it, my Uncle Khusro roared. That horse cost me $60, the farmer said. I spit on money, my Uncle Khusro said. Farmer again told that his left leg is paining. Uncle roared again. Pay no attention to it. John said the horse costed him $60. Uncle Khusro got irritated and said he spits on the money. He got up and stalked out of the house, slamming the door. My mother explained. He has a gentle heart, she said. It is simply that he is homesick and such a large man. The farmer went away and I ran over to my cousin Murad's house. After all this argument, Khusro rose and went out of the house, slamming the door. Aram's mother started explaining to the farmer that Khusro is just homesick, so he keeps on shouting, otherwise he is a good person with a gentle heart. Farmer also went away and Aram ran over to his cousin's house. He was sitting under a peach tree trying to repair the hurt wing of a young robin which could not fly. He was talking to the bird. Murad was sitting under a peach tree repairing the hurt wing of a young robin. Robin is a type of bird. Murad was also talking to that bird. What is it? He said. The farmer John Byro, I said. He visited our house. He wants his horse. You have had it a month. I want you to promise not to take it back until I learn to ride. Murad asked from Aram, What brings you here? Aram said, It's John Byro. He visited my house and he wants his horse back. He told me that the horse is missing from a month. I want you to not return it until I learn to ride. It will take you a year to learn to ride, my cousin Murad said. We could keep the horse a year, I said. My cousin Murad leaped to his feet. What? He roared. Are you inviting a member of the Garoglinian family to steal? The horse must go back to its true owner. When? I said. In 6 months at the latest, he said. Murad told Aram that it will take almost a year to learn riding. So, will they keep the horse for a year? Aram said yes. If it takes a year, we will keep it for that much time. Hearing this, Murad was shocked. He said to Aram that he is asking a member of the Garoglinian family to steal, which is not possible. The horse must be returned to its owner. Aram asked when, to which Murad said, we can keep it to a maximum of 6 months but not more than that. We'll continue in the next video.